Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Silvianusa Fitri, a student at Gunadarma University. I will present a paper that will be included in an international conference, which was completed by me, Silvianusa Fitri, and Mr. Ahmad Fatoni with the title Semiotic of Kultur in Tarung Sarung Movie. Introduction. The Bugis Makassar tribe has a culture called Sigajang Laleng Lipa or Tarung Sarung. Tarung Sarung is carried out when deliberation doesn't reach a consensus or there is no solution. This culture is reimagined through a film directed by Archie Hekageri and premiering on Netflix on December 31, 2020. The film, starring Pani Joni as Dani Russo, Maizura as Tenri, Yayan Rohian as Pahalid, and Kemal Faruk as Sandro Ibu, tells the story of young man Dani Russo or Pani Joni, who was born in one of the richest family in Indonesia. For Dani, money is everything, and he even lost faith in God. When he goes to Makassar to take care of the family business, everything changes, and he meets a Makassar girl who hates business Dani's mother, named Tenri or Maizura. Then he begins to change his behavior for Tenri's sake and even learns a martial art called Tarung Sarung to defeat Sanrego, who wants to marry Tenri. Roland Barthes actually emphasized the interaction between the text and personal and cultural experience of its user. The interaction between the convention in the text and the convention experience and expected by its user. This idea is known as the order of signification, which includes denotation or actual meaning according to the dictionary, on connotation or multiple meaning born from cultural and personal experience. From the description above, it can be concluded that the semiotic analysis of the Roland Barthes model is analysis that examines a sign where the sign has a denotative and connotative meaning. The working and step in Roland Barthes semiotic model in analyzing meaning can be seen in the image. Speech code theory. Speech code theory is theory about communication and culture. There are 6 primary propositions of speech code theory. 1. Distinctiveness. 2. Multiplicity. 3. Substance. 4. Interpretation. 5. Sight. And 6. Force. The use of speech code in the main condition for predicting, explaining, and controlling the form of intelligence, wisdom, and moral order of communication. In intercultural communication, anthropology action occur because people individuality and in groups often very easily express an active limitation in intercultural communication, namely ethnocentrism, stereotypes, and prejudice when the person is involved in a dispute with other people even though it is a direct relationship with different cultural background. Research methodology. The researcher uses is a qualitative research approach, which is a process of research and understanding based on methodology and investigating social phenomena that occur and problems experienced by humans. The object of research here is a Tarung Sarung movie. More specifically, that researcher examines the meaning in the form of image, sound, and text of cultural values in the Tarung Sarung movie. Result. First scene. This ritual has a deep meaning, especially a matter of deliberation on consensus. This ritual teaches us not to always use the ego in many ways if we don't want casualties. Currently, a dangerous ritual, but the charm of the meaning are rarely carried out by many people. The second scene is a scene that discusses Uang Panai. Uang Panai is the term of the dowry of Makassar people. Usually, the man who gives the dowry is the man. In that scene, there is a scene when Tenri doesn't accept Sandrego because Tenri doesn't like him. Therefore, he raises the Panai so that the man cannot afford the Panai. Third scene. In this scene is the scene where Tenri and Dani first meet. Tenri invites Dani to see a cultural performance on the beach at night. In the event there is Makassar culture such as music and other Makassar tradition, but what attracts the most attention from the scene is Rempek episode, where is the show uses fireball and magical element for the people of Makassar. Fourth scene. In this scene there is scene that incorporates a very unique Makassar tradition, namely host relocation. This tradition teaches mutual cooperation. In this host relocation tradition, it's not just any house that can be moved, but only state house that can be moved. 5. Scene. This scene is the scene where the most popular Makassar food is barongko, a special food made from bananas, which is ancient times was a dessert from royal nobles. Has a deep meaning that is, the Bugis people also call this cake an honesty cake, because this cake means that what must be seen from the outside must be the same as what is inside. 6. Scene. In this scene, the Makassar culture includes the traditional clothing of beladada, which is a traditional dress for men. The use of beladada is usually used with a cap, or the Makassar people call it songkok reca. The songkok reca itself has a meaning and moral message, such as the importance of respecting the old and respecting the young. Result: speech code theory. The speech code adaptation process includes assimilation, separation, cultural integrity, and hybridity. Assimilation is one of Danish process to equate two cultures to maintain relation and blend in with the new culture in the Makassar community by eliminating prejudice, stereotypes, and discrimination. It requires assimilation of citizenship to create a mixed culture. Separation is one of Danish ways to stick to his own culture, minimizing interaction. Integration is one way to Dani over to survive on his own speech code and culture but still interact and mingle with the people of Makassar. Meanwhile, culture hybridity is one of Danish ways of negotiating and adapting to obtain an adequate perception of the host culture of Makassar. Discussion. The Tarung Sarung film describes the cultural values. In the Tarung Sarung film, in the result regarding the cultural values content in the film, there are 6 scenes about culture and 5 scenes about the adaptation of the main character. In the study of cultural values in the Tarung Sarung film, there is a connection with the theory put forward by Roland Barthes. By finding out how the cultural values and meaning content in the Tarung Sarung film are, researchers rely on semiotic analysis using denotation, connotation, and meaning analysis. They examine the speech code in this film using speech code theory in finding the meanings, content, and hidden signs and words in a film. From the result of the above data analysis using Roland Barthes semiotic, it can be seen that this film is thick with Makassar cultural values. In the film Tarung Sarung, there are cultural values that are represented through clothing and traditional in it. Makassar cultural symbols are not only displayed with scenes in everyday life, but also display scenes that are sacred to the Makassar people. The cultural show in the film Tarung Sarung is the identity of the Makassar people. Speech code theory examines the ability to native people to adjust the atmosphere through language style when with strangers. In addition to using Roland Barthes semiotic, researchers also analyze using speech code theory. This cultural hybridity is very suitable for Dani as an immigrant because he still maintains his original speech code, so that Dani can still mingle and understand what the Makassar people are talking about as form of negotiation and adaptation to produce an adequate perception of the Makassar community. Dani, in the process of becoming a newcomer, rarely uses the separation method as one of the adaptation of his speech code in the Makassar community because Dani doesn't minimize interaction with the Makassar community. Conclusion. The development of Bugis Makassar culture is currently widespread due to the large number of Bugis people who migrate outside the region and develop their culture in various ways. One way to spread the culture of an area is to use film media, which is technological development. This film also has a role in the spread of Bugis culture. Watching film can be an entry point for people to know more about the culture shown in the film. Makassar culture values in the film Tarung Sarung are represented through traditional clothing, traditional art, and custom that are displayed by a producer through scenes in the film. This film is used to get to know more about custom and traditional as well as the meanings they contain. When Makassar custom and tradition are seen as a bridge to create an attitude of mutual help, mutual protection, mutual respect, and respect for fellow human beings in living life. That's all for me. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.